Arjun, you can start the presentation. Okay. Slide share भएको छ. Okay, share गर्नुस् ल.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to presentation on the topic impact of COVID-19 in Nepal. First, let me introduce myself. I am Mithlesh Lekhak, and our team members are Arjun Chaudhary, Priyanshu Jaiswal, Rajiv Lochan Mishra. Before begin the introduction,
Mithilesh, excuse me, sorry for. यो मिथिलेश पछि कसको ग्रुप रेडी हुनुहुन्छ? कसले गर्नुहुन्छ?
सर हाम्रो सर
प्लिज नेम
नाम केशव चालिसे विवेक ओझा
केशव. ओके केशव यसपछि यो सकिने छ. तपाईको ग्रुप रेडी भएर बस्नुस् है केशव.
ओके सर. ओके
स्टार्ट.
Before begin the presentation on the topic impact of COVID-19 in Nepal, I would like to give a brief introduction on COVID-19 only. COVID-19 means CO means corona, VI means virus, and D means disease, and 19 means 2019. Corona means crown in Latina. It means crown-like structure. Its official name is SARS-CoV-2. It was given by ICTV International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus on 11th February 2020. Ani Rajiv, just change the slide.
Rajiv, slide share गरिदिनुस्. Let's go to the next slide. Rajiv.
चेन्ज भएको छैन.
होइन छैन, हामी स्लाइड 1 मै छौं. स्लाइड 2 मा
भयो.
होइन, तपाईले साइडमा स्लाइड एब्स्ट्र्याक्ट साइडबाट क्लिक गर्नुस् न. एब्स्ट्र्याक्ट. ओके ल भयो. ओके स्टार्ट.
Now this is the abstract slide. The COVID-19 pandemic has considerably distorted the social and cultural life of people on global stage. It has an impact on socio-cultural correlation that underpin the population diversity. It is seen that some of these effects are short-lived, but others will have a long-lasting implication that can see in the future. The COVID-19 crisis is exposing the fragility in all our systems, our complex dependence upon one another, livelihood patterns, and healthcare as the most basis of human rights. Health security is one of the essential parts of social society, which encompasses material or economic security, the security of life and protection from violence and conflict, and all these are apprehensive and questionable in this pandemic. Like other developed and developing countries, Nepal is also facing challenges contributed by the pandemic. This slide describes the impact of COVID-19 in socio-cultural sectors. Rajiv, change the slide of introduction.
चेन्ज भएको छ.
The side water. This is an introduction slide. The COVID-19 pandemic in Nepal. Nepal is part of the world pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. The first case in Nepal was confirmed on 23rd January 2020 when a 31-year-old student who had returned to Kathmandu from Wuhan on 9 January tested positive for the disease. It was also the first recorded case of COVID-19 in South Asia. Nepal's first case of local transmission was confirmed on 4th April in Kailali district. The first death occurred on 14th May. As of 20 June 2021, the Ministry of Health and Population has confirmed a total of 6,21,056 cases. Among them, 5,56,798 recovered and 8,726 deaths in the country. In the meantime, 3,26,000 32 lakh, sorry, 32,69,266 real-time tests have been performed in 40 labs across the country. The viral disease has been detected in all the provinces and districts of the country, with Bagmati province and Kathmandu being the worst hit province and district respectively. As per Nepalese April, as of 26 July 2020, the non-resident Nepali Association has reported a total of 12,667 confirmed cases, 16,190 are recovered, and 161 deaths across the 35 countries. Rajiv, change the slide. The overall objective of this article is to assess the impact of the COVID-19 in socio-cultural sector of Nepal. The specific aim is to analyze the effect of COVID-19 in health, education, politics, and different group of peoples of Nepal. So it's the main objective. Method and data source. Regarding the above mentioned objective, a descriptive method is applied in this study. The data used in the study is mainly quantitative, which are collected from different ministers of Nepal, Nepal Rashtra Point, UNO, UNDP, WB, and UNICEF, WHO, World Health Organization, World Meter, and other national and international organizations. Now I'd like to give chance to my other friends too.
Social impact of COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected different sectors of society. About 6 months long lockdown curfew have hit Nepal's industries, tourism, entertainment, and transport sectors hard, slamming project economic growth and pushing 3 in every 5 people working in small or hydro enterprise out of jobs, working from home, attending online classes, and ordering groceries from home delivery are out of reach for the vast majority of Nepal's 40 million people. It has affected all the sectors of the economy, society, and cultural practices. Most of the countries, including the Nepal, have decreased their budget in socio-economic like education, transportation, agriculture, industrial, and other sectors of the human development, and increase their budget only in health to control the COVID-19 impacts. Some of the significant social impact of COVID-19 in Nepal are discussed below. Rajiv. Political sector. Political scientists believe that pandemic would strengthen the state and reinforce nationalism. Like the previous pandemic, it will also accelerate the shift in power and influence from west to east or vice versa. In the initial phase of this pandemic, there was also a conflict between USA and China and Australia, and countries of European Union. Most countries have been closing their borders, banning exports of protective equipment or securing exclusive right for a new vaccine or drugs may be beautiful measures for politicians. They can show their citizens are prioritized. It's predicted that there will be three things that seen of patent. In the context of Nepal, there was a lot of debate on massive foreign aid package under the Millennium Challenge Corporation Road and Belt initiatives of China. The internal conflict of political parties, Nepal and India engaged in an intense border of conflict triggering speculation about internal power shuffling as well as bilateral diplomacy. This dispute involves of 40 square kilometers extent of land on Nepal's far western border with India, which is not far from China. So the pandemic has mostly affected the political scenarios of the world inside the country. Right. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused the largest dispersion of education in the history, having already had a near universal impact on learners and teachers around the world. In context of Nepal, about 76 million students and 8 million teachers in
Okay, I will continue from here. In the context of Nepal, around 76 million students and 8 million teachers, including primary, secondary, higher secondary, and university level, are out of educational institution due to lack of internet facility, poverty, rural, and weak network system. Most of the children of Nepal are out of educational institution. According to
including
UNICEF,
prime institutions.
only about 12% of Nepali children take class online or the radio TV. The recent child and family tracker survey by UNICEF Nepal shows that more than two-thirds of school children are underprivileged of distance learning. Only 3 out of 10 children have access to television, radio, and internet-based learning platforms. Among them, only 80% of children used distance learning platform for their learning activities. Now, how the impact shows in health sector we will discuss. Frontline health workers, including doctors, nurses, certified caregivers, labor technologists, and pharmacists, have been mostly affected by the pandemic due to the inadequate supplies of PPE and other health protective tools and lack of good policies of the government. Contracting COVID-19 has decreased stigma and social discrimination among people. Some of the house owners have reported to evict nurses, doctors, and other medical professionals from their rental apartment, fearing the spread of novel coronavirus in their neighborhood. There has been erosion in humanity, and this is the dangerous sign of itself for our society. This attacks on healthcare speaks to the importance of adequate risk communication at all levels of society to reduce fear, stigma, and ultimately violence against the social attitudes. Health professional have investigated their time without compromise their own family life. Hence, by understanding this disease, building trust, showing empathy to those affected as personnel, and adopting effective practical measure, people can save their dear ones, and only we can fight collectively against COVID-19 effect in society. Now we will discuss on how the impact shows on old age people. In many countries, including Nepal, older people face the most threats, challenges during the COVID-19 period. According to WHO report 2020, over 95% of deaths occur in those older than 60 years. More than 50% of all facilities involve people aged 80 years or older. In comparison to others, more senior people face a significant risk of developing severe illness if they contract the disease due to psychological changes that come with aging and potential underlying health condition. The recent case that appears in social media, especially in the news portal, shows that people having low immunity power and having uh, chronic disease patients like heart, lungs, high sugar, and blood pressure, etc., have been seen more at risk in COVID-19. Hence, the pandemic is more critical for old age people who are above 60 years. Now, the impact shows in cultural effect we will discuss. Nepal is not only the land of mountains, it is also the land of feast, festivals, and jatras. There are more than 50 festivals countrywide celebrated in Nepal every year. The lockdown has shut down the cultural and traditional life of the Nepalese people. Many communities level jatras, pujas, and key festival have cancelled due to spread of coronavirus. Due to COVID-19, the festival muted. The songs and music not heard in Elwek of Kathmandu, in complete silence, the silence of cultural cry. This cry was recently converted into aggression when the government failed to coordinate with the concerned stakeholders to conclude the pulling of the chariot of Rato Matsyendranath. Later, a symbolic chariot pulling performed after the next violence clash between the locals and police and curfew in the Lalitpur metropolitan city. Due to the lockdown, other jatra such as Indra Jatra, Gai Jatra, Biscuit Jatra and festival like these, Chaite Dasai and other like Janai Purnima, Nag Panchami, Krishna Ashtami, etc. were cancelled. Now I will like to invite Piriansu for further.
Conclusion. Effect of COVID-19. This pandemic generated impacts mainly from the lockdown, curfew, self-isolation, social distancing, and quarantine, and it affected the overall physical, mental, spiritual, cultural, economic, and social being of the people of Nepal. This pandemic generated big question in the survival of human life, the life pattern of the people, internal and external connectivity or migration, health facility, and role of the government in a pandemic. A large amount of human deaths accelerates the redistribution of wealth and power and elevate emotional pressure associated with caring for chronically ill. It also challenges the health system of welfare and socialist states and suggests the resource may be redirected to help survivor and attain a new equilibrium in society. Not only this issue, but this pandemic has also devastatingly affected the social, economic, and psychological and cultural life of the people, and increases this pandemic also increases the rate of suicide, false trafficking, child marriage, and death of the people. From this pandemic, also raises the health consciousness. People are aware about their health and protect about environment, traditional human habits, and nature.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the presentation. Now, okay, let me give the quick feedback. अब तपाईँले अहिलेको प्रेजेन्टेसनमा नि it was a very good presentation. The information collected were very information तर the orientation of the slide चाहिँ भएन त्यो चाहिँ हैन तपाईको फुल टेक्स्टहरु फुल प्याराग्राफहरु लेख्नु भएको छ नो दिस टाइप अफ तपाईको चाहिँ ओरिएन्टेसन अथवा प्रेजेन्टेसन स्टाइल इज नट एक्सेप्टेड तपाईले टर्मिनोलोजीहरु लेख्नु हो त्यहाँ र त्यो कुराहरु तपाई आफूले एक्सप्लेन गर्नुपर्छ इम्प्याक्ट अन कल्चर भन्नुभयो इम्प्याक्ट अन रिलिजनको कुराहरु ओल्ड एजका पिपलहरुमा इम्प्याक्ट के भइराछ भन्ने कुरा ल्याउनु भयो तर तपाईले फुल सेन्टेन्स फुल प्याराग्राफहरु हालिराख्नु भएको छ क्या तर यस्तो चाहिँ प्रेजेन्टेसनमा चाहिँ स्लाइडहरु बनाउने बेलामा त्यस्तो नो इट इज नट एक्सेप्टेड है यु हैव टु राइट द टर्मिनोलोजी लेख्ने हो र त्यो टर्मिनोलोजी चाहिँ तपाईले आफूले एक्सप्लेन गर्नुपर्छ सबै टेक्स्टहरु स्लाइडमा राख्ने अनि वर्ड बाइ वर्ड चाहिँ त्यही वर्डहरु चाहिँ रिसाइड गर्ने चाहिँ अथवा त्यसैको प्रोनाउन्सिएसन गर्ने चाहिँ होइन है त्यो पार्टहरु चाहिँ यु हैव टु इम्प्रुभ अब तपाई फोर्थ इयरमा हुनुहुन्छ अब प्रपोजल डिफेन्स गरिसक्नुभयो फाइनल इयर प्रोजेक्टको डिफेन्स गर्नुहुन्छ अरु प्रेजेन्टेसनहरु पनि दिइराख्नु होला अब चाहिँ तपाईको चाहिँ यु हैव टु गो टु द मार्केट र तपाईले आफूले गरेको काम के हो अथवा आफ्नो प्रपोजल के हो सबै सिकाउने भनेको चाहिँ थ्रु द प्रेजेन्टेसन हो अब तपाईको प्रेजेन्टेसन एट्र्याक्टिभ भएन स्लाइडहरु एट्र्याक्टिभ भएन यो पार्टले चाहिँ मान्छेले इभ्यालुएट गर्छ है त्यसैले तपाईको ओरिएन्टेसन तपाईको द कन्टेन्ट इन द प्रेजेन्टेसन चाहिँ त्यो भएन अघिको पार्टमा तल तपाईको जुन इन्फर्मेसन तपाईले ग्यादर गर्नु भएको छ फेरि इन्फर्मेसन धेरै राम्रो छ तर तपाईको होल स्लाइड हेर्न साथ टोटल्ली सबै स्लाइड चाहिँ वर्डहरुले मात्रै भरिएको छ क्या यस्तो चाहिँ प्रेजेन्टेसन स्टाइल अथवा यस्तो खाले स्लाइडहरु चाहिँ इज नट एक्सेप्टेड है त्यो चाहिँ तपाईहरुले सचाउनु पर्छ है अब यही हो अहिले यही हो मौका सिक्ने हैन तपाईको चाहिँ सचाउने एनीवे द प्रेजेन्टेसन वाज गुड थ्यांक यू फर द प्रेजेन्टेसन